Finish. Good rep.
Good job.
8-4.
8-6.
Yeah, it's more 4.
Good job.
It's 7-10.
Anyway, now.
All right, so right and left.
But if I'm like this, I can't move backwards without pushing off the ground, right? So we got to be able to just barely touch to where we can explode out, to where I can step anyway, right? So you don't want to lean into it too far.
When you got ready to turn, you was here. When you got ready to do that, your hand went there, right? So look, when it's time to do it, just bring your hand across your navel. All right?
Never turn your back to the quarterback. We're all going to work like we're the right outside linebacker. We're going to drop our right leg. We'll get to that alley. Then you'll chop it up, okay? Basically to that white line. You'll chop it up. I'll have you go left or right, and then we'll finish, okay?
When I come off the ball, right, I should be here, boom, rip, and then next
Do
move.
I smack with my right arm and swim with
So
my left?
you want to slap left, come over with your right. All right? So, and then remember, the key part of this, get my hips here so I can get around. All right?
Okay, we good?
Does that make sense?
Let's go, high fives all around. Let's go, set, hit! Good.
You gotta go fast.
No.
You gotta go fast.
Good stuff. Yes, sir.
Hey.
Good job. Good job. Work your arms. There you go. Stay tight. Work your arms. Good.
I'm gonna be you. I'm gonna be you right here. So if I'm you guys, I'm right here. Ready? Step. I'm just gonna protect it right here. I ain't even put my hands out or nothing. I just move my feet. That's all we're gonna do. Move our feet right here. All right, nothing but your feet. All right, reset. Do it again. So you're gonna be right here, inside, my hands up, ready to go. I'm stepping right here. All right, you see that? Let's do it.
That is the route.
Keep running. Keep running. Coming in. Go make a play. Good. Oh.